Good morning, children. Today we are going to do the question answer of chapter 9. I have explained you this chapter before also. Now today what you will do, you just write it down on your copy and learn too. Just go through the question answers one. I'm explaining it to you. First one is what is missing in this question. It's a typing mistake, I think. So please write it down what on your copy first. The question one. What was Rahul eating under a tree? What he was doing? What Rahul was eating? I told you when I was explaining this chapter, and I hope you must have seen that video. So what Rahul was doing under a tree? He was eating banana, right? Rahul क्या कर रहा था tree के नीचे? He was eating banana खा रहा था, है ना? Then the second one is where did the monkey climb to eat the banana? Where did the monkey climb? Monkey कहाँ चढ़ गया banana खाने के लिए? He also climbed on the tree, on the branch of a tree, right? He just sat on the branch of a tree and he just started eating banana too. Okay? So monkey क्या किया? Monkey भी banana खाने के लिए पेड़ के ऊपर चढ़ गया. Then the third one is what did Rahul do while eating the banana? Banana जब राहुल खा रहा था तो वो क्या कर रहा था? What he was doing? He was making funny faces, right? What he was doing? He was making funny faces. वो अलग तरह का face बना रहा था, हंसने वाला face. और as we all know that monkey imitates us. Monkey क्या करता है? हम लोग जैसा करते हैं वो वैसा करता है. So as Rahul was doing, monkey was imitating him too. So what did the monkey do when Rahul made funny faces? जब Rahul funny faces बनाया तो monkey क्या किया? Monkey also made funny faces like him. Understood? Monkey क्या किया? वो भी राहुल की तरह funny faces बनाने लगा. Then the last question is, what did Rahul do when he finished eating the banana? जब राहुल बनाना खा लिया, उसके बाद वो क्या किया? What he did? He just did he threw that banana peel in the dustbin? क्या वो dustbin में फेंका था केला का छिलका? नहीं फेंका था. What he did? He just flung that banana peel on the ground. वो क्या किया? उसका बनाना का जो छिलका था उसको जमीन पे ऐसे ही सीधे फेंक दिया, right? Then next question is write one word for each word of the same sound. Means you have to write rhyming word for these words. I explained you what is rhyming word earlier also. See, the first one is B-O-Y, boy. Now you have to look for a word that can rhyme with this, and that word should have same sound like O-Y, oi. This sound should come in that word too. क्या होगा B-O-Y, boy? तो आपको ऐसा वर्ड ढूंढना है जिसके लास्ट में ओ वाई हो, मतलब इसका जो साउंड है बॉय वैसा ही साउंड वाला दूसरा वर्ड लिखना है. हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? T-O-Y टॉय, J-O-Y जॉय, राइट? हम लिख सकते हैं, दोनों में ओ वाई है ना, और सेम राइम कर रहा है, तो आप ऐसा वर्ड ढूंढ करके लिख सकते हैं. देन द सेकेंड वन इज ट्री. वी कैन राइट ट्री, पार्क, डार्क, bark, near, bear, okay, look, book, took, shook, then monkey, donkey, okay. This you have to write, and you can write another word also. आप अलग word भी लिख सकते हैं अगर आप चाहते हैं तो. आपको ये word लिख करके मैंने सेंड किया है, ठीक है? तो आप इन सबको एक बार पढ़ लेंगे और उसके बाद आप इसको कॉपी में लिखेंगे. देन राइट इट डाउन ऑन योर कॉपी एंड प्लीज राइट इन ब्यूटीफुल हैंड राइटिंग एंड राइट इन प्रॉपर line also. Understood? Since you are in class 2, you all know how can we write in cursive letters and how can we write in 4-line copies. So please follow that rule and write in 4-line, and please write in beautiful handwriting. Okay? Thank you.